Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin awaits the U.S. Federal Reserve. COINBASE offered Circle $3.3 million to maintain USDC parity. The Fed takes aim at unregulated stablecoins. Florida governor against CBDCs. Taiwan puts crypto under review. New scan disguised as a cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence project.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin awaits the U.S. Federal Reserve. The cryptocurrency market starts a new week with strong optimism, as Bitcoin surpasses $28,000, and digital assets continue to rise thanks to the banking crisis in the United States and other parts of the world. In this regard, the Bitcoin network strengthens and analysts focus on upcoming macroeconomic events, especially the Federal Reserve's Fed decision on interest rates and its quantitative easing policy. The market expects a volatile week, but overall, it is optimistic. The goal of the leading cryptocurrency seems to be the psychological level of $30,000, while a key support is the 200-week moving average on a daily chart. The Fed's decision will be one of the main events of the week, and many analysts expect the entity to raise interest rates by 25 basis points. So, we will have to pay attention to Wednesday, as it could be a crucial day, not only for the announced rate hike, but also for Jerome Powell's subsequent speech on monetary policy. COINBASE offered Circle $3.3 million to maintain USDC parity. According to reports, COINBASE offered a bailout package to Circle to support USDC liquidity after the Silicon Valley Bank bankruptcy prevented money from leaving Circle's account. COINBASE offered to step in after Circle was unable to transfer funds from Silicon Valley Bank, which led to a massive sell-off that caused USDC to lose its dollar parity. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation intervened to support SBV deposits. COINBASE may establish a unit overseas as regulatory scrutiny of the industry intensifies in the United States. COINBASE CEO Brian Armstrong admits that the exchange has a personal interest in the success of USDC. The Fed takes aim at unregulated stablecoins. The U.S. Federal Reserve may ramp up regulation of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins in 2023, according to Michael Barr, its vice chairman of supervision. During a speech at the Peterson Institute for International Economics, Barr indicated that he wants to keep cryptocurrencies out of the banking sector. In addition, the Federal Reserve will establish a team to address unregulated stablecoins. While blockchain technology is beneficial, cryptocurrency is not, and the benefits of cryptocurrencies are inconsistent with reality, Barr said. The adoption of cryptocurrencies is contagious, he added. Nearly 20% of American adults have had or still hold cryptocurrencies, Barr noted. Florida governor against CBDCs. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis proposed legislation on Monday that would ban central bank digital currencies CBDCs in the state, presenting it as a measure to safeguard the financial privacy of Floridians. The legislation would prohibit the introduction in Florida of any CBDC issued by the U.S. Federal Reserve and any other created by a foreign government, completely banning the use of this technology as a form of money. DeSantis described CBDCs as a vehicle that could lead to government intrusion and pave the way for financial surveillance. He urged other states to enact similar laws banning CBDCs. Taiwan puts crypto under review. Taiwan will regulate cryptocurrencies under its Financial Control Agency, the Financial Supervisory Commission. BNBs and stablecoins will be regulated by different agencies. The FSC and Taiwan's cabinet have worked with industry stakeholders to come up with a concrete plan. The Ministry of Digital Affairs may regulate NFTs, while Taiwan's central bank may regulate stablecoins. Several companies are requesting a crypto regulation that provides them with clarity. Meanwhile, U.S. regulators are in crypto crackdown mode. In this way, Taiwan aims to become a regional crypto center with its solid regulatory framework. New scan disguised as a cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence project. Harvest Keeper, a cryptocurrency project that used artificial intelligence to offer high returns to investors, has turned out to be a rug pull scam. The team stole around $1 million in user funds, and several cryptocurrency security firms, including CertiK, have confirmed the fact. User assets were stolen through ice phishing transactions on BSC, Ethereum, and Polygon, and users are being urged to revoke smart contract approvals as quickly as possible. The crypto community is furious, and some have appealed to Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao for help. The crypto market continues to be affected by such incidents, and users will have to fight to recover their money.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.